So, can you see now the screen? Hello, can you see the screen?
Yes, Doc.
Yes, Doc.
Okay. Sige. So, you have here for analysis of variance, it's a one-way classification. It is a test in finding the significant difference between the means of more than two groups of the population in which the researcher wished to test the effect of one or more treatments. A different treatment can be applied to each of the different samples, each samples being composed of equal or unequal number of members. So, pwede siya lahi na N mo, or the samples. The problem of testing the significance of the difference between the number of means result from an experiment designed to study the variation independent variables with variation in the independent variables. So this is the formula. So for ANOVA, it's an F test. No, you have here variance between group, that's S squared VG, over variance within group. So you have S squared, that's the symbol for variance. No? So how are you going to find for variance between and variance within? So you have here the formula. So for variance between, so you have the summation of x sub 1, that is squared, over n